Ever wonder what happens to your crypto after you cash out? Hey crypto enthusiasts! Have you ever been on a shopping spree with Bitcoin, or maybe used Ethereum to snag that limited edition NFT? Cryptocurrency is an amazing tool, but what if you want to use those digital gains in the real world? That's where withdrawing your money from your Coinbase wallet comes in. Now, Coinbase offers two main products: Coinbase itself, which acts like a brokerage where you buy and sell crypto, and Coinbase Wallet, your own personal crypto storage unit. Today, we're focusing on withdrawing funds specifically from your Coinbase wallet, so if you haven't set that up yet, don't worry, I'll throw in a quick tip at the end. Withdrawing money might seem daunting at first, but fear not. This guide will break it down into simple steps, making you a pro at getting your crypto cash out in no time. Step 1. Understanding the process. Before we dive in, there's a key difference to remember. You can't directly withdraw cryptocurrency from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. Cryptocurrency lives on a decentralized network, separate from traditional banking systems. So, to get your money into your hands, you need to convert your crypto to a fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, and then initiate a transfer to your bank account. Step 2. Firing up your Coinbase Wallet app. Alright, let's get started. Grab your phone and open the Coinbase Wallet app. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in securely. Step 3. Sell, sell, sell. But strategically. Now, locate the crypto you want to withdraw. Tap on it to bring up the details screen. Here, you'll see an option to sell. This is where the magic happens. Tapping Sell will take you to the conversion screen. Step 4. Conversion shenanigans. Here's where things get interesting. You'll need to choose the fiat currency you want to convert your crypto to. Coinbase Wallet usually offers a decent selection of options, so pick the one that best suits your needs. Pro tip: don't forget about fees. Transaction fees can vary depending on the crypto you're selling and the current market conditions. Coinbase will display the estimated fees before you confirm the conversion, so make sure you factor that into your calculations. Step 5. You got the money, now get it out. Once you've chosen your fiat currency and reviewed the fees, you're ready to initiate the conversion. Simply enter the amount of crypto you want to sell and tap Sell Crypto. Coinbase will handle the conversion process, and your chosen fiat currency will be deposited into your Coinbase Wallet balance. Step 6. Bridge to the bank. Now for the final step, transferring the money to your bank account. Head back to the main screen of your Coinbase Wallet app and tap the Transfer button. This will bring up a menu with two options, Send and Receive. We want to send the money to your bank account. Step 7. Destination, your bank account. On the Send screen, you'll need to choose your destination. If you haven't already added your bank account to Coinbase Wallet, you'll need to do that now. The process is pretty straightforward, and Coinbase will guide you through it. Step 8. Sending it home. Once your bank account is linked, select it as the recipient. Enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so be extra careful. When you're confident about the details, confirm the transfer. Step 9. Patience is a virtue, especially in crypto. Now, lean back and relax. Transfer times can vary depending on your bank and current network conditions. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your bank account. Bonus tip: setting up your Coinbase Wallet. As promised, a quick tip for those who haven't set up their Coinbase Wallet yet. Download the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. The process is user-friendly, and you'll be up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching. Now you have the knowledge and confidence to withdraw your crypto from Coinbase Wallet with ease. Until next time, happy crypto adventures.